We're with Tom and Joe, the owners of Aquaguard Foundation Solutions. What do you get most excited about this table?
Well, I mean, I'm from New England.
Yes.
Born and raised.
Both New England guys, right?
That's right. So this lobster here is, wow.
Unbelievable.
Look at this stuff. There's something about like peace of mind by knowing that stuff is kind of getting taken care of, right?
We thought a long time ago, what is our purpose as a company? Because we want everyone to come there with the same purpose, rowing in the same direction.
Yeah.
We realize our purpose is to provide peace of mind.
Right.
Homeowners, whether it's a cracked foundation, a wet basement, a roofing issue.
We've got close to 50,000 customers
Wow.
right now, and we own every one of those foundations.
What does that mean? That you own the foundation means that
Well, we fix it once and we own it forever. It's no longer their issue, it's ours.
Yeah.
If you suspect you have any issues that we can help you with, give us a call. All of our inspections are completely free. We're going to tell you what you're dealing with, if anything, and we're going to offer real practical solutions.